How to print measurement reports and export results to Excel in TSPC Soft. Open TSPC Soft and go to the selected function. Then click File and Open to load the results. You can choose to load the results from a local folder or import them from a connected device. If you see a red square next to the vector display in the date and time area, it means that the results have been loaded successfully. If you want, you can fill in the administrative data. To print the report, click File, Open, then Print Preview. You can choose whether to load a single result or all results at once. Print the report by clicking the printer icon. To export the results to Excel, click File, then Export. Choose a suitable save location.